In this video lecture, I am going to connect Cassandra with Informatica Power Center. So here first let's open the command prompt. So first we need to start the Cassandra. So let's write here command Cassandra -f. Press enter. So it's starting the Cassandra. So startup complete. Now next is here. So let's open Power Center repositories there. Let's go to designer. So here this is the designer. Now next is what we need to do. Go to here source analyzer. Next go to source. From here click on this import from the database. After that there is this all those things. So next is click this triple dot and here click on this add button. Scroll down. So here you can see Informatica Cassandra ODBC driver. So we need to select ODBC driver. So DSN name, let's give so Cassandra DB. Anything you can give. Next here if you don't know about the host, write here localhost. Then automatically taken the port 9042. Next here we need to find the key space. So I already discussed how to create the key space. So first here, since the path of the Cassandra that I already stated, so here when I write CQLSH, so it's now command prompt it's come under CQLSH and 3.11 Cassandra in my system. The next is here, let's write describe key spaces. So here key space. Maybe I did some mistake. So here you can get this all key space as point system. So let's enter here key space as point. So here authentication no mechanism you can select, then you need to give the user and the password. So it's not necessary. Let's click on this test. So it's test completed successfully. Now click on OK. Thereafter select this all and here this is not required and click on not this one. We need to select here Cassandra DB that I just created. Now click on this reconnect and here you can see this is the list of tables. So as point this all are key spaces in Cassandra database called key spaces, and inside table is there div. So select the div, click on connect. So here ID and the name. Okay, the next is here let's select any target and not this point. Go to target. This is the target already there. This is the mapping. Select all, deleting and now I have Cassandra DB as, and thereafter drag this, select this all and validate or set the mapping. So mapping is valid. So that means Cassandra database tables, it's working fine. So very easy to here connect with Cassandra. So source, import from the database and click on triple dot, create the DSL. Or next is, if you don't want to follow this way, so what we need to do, let's open the control panel. Here system security, next is administrative tools. So you need to select ODBC data source 32-bit. Click this one. So Cassandra DB that created, from here you can also create that. So here let's find out the Cassandra, finish, and writing Cassandra or T, and this is localhost, same thing, and default key space. So we have multiple key space, so let's enter this time systems, and after doing this click on test. Successful. Now DSM that created. After that here let's open repository, and thereafter let's select the source, and here you can see this is Cassandra T, it's come there. Select all, connect, and thereafter here you can see this is the system tables. You can select anyone from these tools and you can use. So here this is the list of columns are there, ID, pads, it's all. So this is the simplest way we can connect Cassandra with the Informatica Power Center. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.